I can give a quick one. Where's my screen? I think it's this guy. So we've heard from a couple customers about just being able to audit query activity, and we're doing that with some logging on our side that we can export to them, but we can also do that by tagging the queries that we make. So if I go into BigQuery here and I pick, I think this has some stuff, yeah. So can go run a query. So what I added here is if I flip over to the BigQuery console, I can look at the monitoring section and go to the Jobs Explorer. And I'm going to sort by timestamp. Cool. So that's the query that just ran. I click that. You can see, okay, Omni org user ID. Now, this UI is terrible. I cannot easily copy and paste that value. I mean, maybe I can do it by looking at the DOM and grabbing it. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So I can grab that. I can go back over to Omni. And I can just figure out who that user is by going to admin, going to users, and then pasting in that value. And oh, look, it's me. Shocker. So that I think is going to help, for the customers who talk to us about auditing. I think particularly combination of security auditing and just like cost monitoring. That's important. The other cool thing that you can do is BigQuery has this is actually, I think, more of a GCP thing. Like you can export your GCP billing information back into BigQuery. So I've already got that set up. It was pretty simple. It's a couple of clicks. And that then comes back to a schema called billing export here. If I open this up, I can look at the labels and I can see the label Omni user ID filter, and I can see the values of the Omni user ID, and this is my user ID. So I can go filter for that one, and then I can look at my usage amount, for example. I'm not sure what units those are in, but you get the idea. So we can actually feed this back into Omni and give people the ability to monitor costs in Omni as well.